In front of me is Xiaomi Redmi Note 12s, and today I would like to show you how you can add a photo to text message. Begin by opening Messages app. After that, select one of your chats and click on this icon with a camera and a photo located at the bottom left corner. Now just click on any photo that you wish to add. In order to select multiple ones, click on them. You can also select Gallery section over here. Tap on all of your pictures that you wish to add, and when you finished, select Add at the top right corner. As you can see, all of my photos were successfully added. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!